Are you looking for a fabric that is both lightweight and comfortable? Look here. We bring you the new Chambray fabric for unrivaled texture and all-day comfort. Our Chambray fabric is crafted using a unique production method and is made from a plain weave tissue. Not only is it lightweight and breathable, making it perfect for a variety of uses, but it is also known for its soft and smooth feel. Chambray fabrics are unique in that the colored warp yarns are interwoven with the white weft yarns to create a subtle and attractive texture. Whether it's a blouse, dress, skirt, or trousers, Chambray fabrics offer the ideal choice. Chambray fabric is not only durable and wrinkle-resistant, it's ideal for a variety of outfits. From casual to formal, Chambray fabrics are easy to work with, taking you from day to night. Its breathability makes it especially useful in warm weather, while its ability to retain shape and structure makes it an excellent choice for customized garments. As well as being used for garments, Chambray fabrics are perfect for accessories and home textiles. Its soft drape and elegant look make it a popular choice for scarves, handkerchiefs, and tablecloths. Chambray fabrics are easy to care for and retain their quality and appearance even after many washes, making them a practical and long-lasting choice for a variety of projects. Choose Rongxu Textile for superior quality and comfort. Contact us today for more information.